Hello!
They're joking. It's only stairs and I have a baby stroller.
We are
It's not an
boarding
elevator.
and we are going to Condao. It's an island, southern of Vietnam, and we are so excited. We will have some diving, some beach, some swimming, and I really hope, but I'm worried that it's really difficult that it will happen. But I really would like to see the dragon. If you don't know, you can write it on Google. It's a really particular animal that lives also now. Guys, this is our flight. Let's hope we will not fall down. Wow, I think the most beautiful landing on the water beach.
The beach light.
And we are coming to Condao.
Welcome to Condao.
So I must admit that this travel nothing goes as it must, because we are here on Condao Island and we wanted to go to a particular beach, not particular, but a specific beach that I don't remember the name, but where is a luxurious resort. But I read that it's possible also to enter, there are some public access, but it seems that it's not like this and we couldn't go there. And so we came to this another beach. And so nothing, we will go in the water, and in any case we will not take any dive here at Condao because it's really expensive, and we decided to go to another place where we can make a dive, another part of Vietnam, and that is, it costs a half of the cost that it has here, and nothing. So here we go. Hello everyone, we are boarding to Canton. Here we are. This airport is really small, and that beach should be our plane. And this plane we are going to deltas, to Mekong deltas, and I'm so excited about it. So small this plane.
And we are flying. Wow, this is really beautiful view. This airport has a really incredible view. It's really scenographic. Oh, there is also a waterfall. Wow, beautiful, really amazing. So we are still landing, and I think that that one is the delta of Mekong by plane. Beautiful.
Good morning guys, good morning world. We are in Canton.
Yeah, and now we are going to go to the floating market.
What is the name of the floating market we're going?
I think something like Changyang, something like this. My pronunciation is not very well.
Check.
Yeah.
No, we check. I always forget these names that are not Italian, that are not Slovene, and so
Exactly.
you can imagine that it's difficult for us to remember these Vietnamese names.
Chai Rang.
Chai Rang market, because there are that are more markets, and now we are taking the boat that takes 10 minutes to come there. What time it is, Elia?
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock, but we are really late because here markets start at 5 a.m. But it's so hard to wake up at, I don't know, 3 o'clock to be there at 5 o'clock, and so here we are. And here you can see they are selling vegetables, fruit. Wow. And it's 8 a.m. It's very lively. Wow, what's that? Okay, let's try to catch a boat. That should be our boat. So we are on the boat, yeah! Okay guys, this is the Mekong Delta. It's a famous river that I hear a lot of times. It would be so nice to explore more about it, but at the moment we are here to explore this floating market. I really love it, and as you can remember of other vlogs, we want to see floating markets in Thailand, but it was so bad because there were nothing more, no boats, just a few boats, and just a few boats restaurant that were on the coast, and you could eat there and so on, but it was not a real floating market. And now here we are. The water is really brown, the river water, and here you can see boats still, and here the boat. They are so scenographic. Elia, can you help me?
Sorry?
Can you help me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So it's amazing here. And on the top of that trees, like you see that what that boat sells. So maybe the other one have pumpkins. Yeah, pumpkins. Maybe the boat sell pumpkins. The other have lemons. And then come right next to you and start to sell things, of course.
So I'm so happy we are here. I always like this market. They make excursion that lasts 6 hours of the day spending around here, but for me personally it's too much, and this excursion for me is really nice because it is half an hour, just 10 minutes to come, 10 minutes to here out, 10 minutes to go back, and it's really the perfect thing for me. And nothing, I'm happy, it's windy, and we didn't show you the boat.
Ở đây chở đi chơi nè.
And
Đây.
So we arrived here at 8 a.m. But they recommend that it's better to go to 6 a.m. So really early morning, because there are more boats, more people, more everything. But we have a little baby. I want to sleep some more, and that's all. Another thing that I have to say, here it's a lot of tour operators that can go there. Usually they offer to you like a package of 6 hours. Also you can go to the floating market, rice farm, and other temples and other things, I don't know. But we don't want to make this. We take this plan that we arrange by ourselves, that it's like 30 minutes by boat on the floating market. This is the only thing that we choose, because I wasn't interested in a rice farm, sincerely. But we go here by ourselves, and it wasn't so easy. We stop a lot of people on the street. At the final, we stopped a woman. It was really nice woman. She take us where's the departure boat. And I want to say something about people here. They are really friendly. So don't be scared to speak with them. Don't be afraid to ask some information to people here. Of course, the majority of people don't speak English, but in any case, they try to help you. And I recommend that you have an application of Google Translate, because with that application you can communicate with them. Really, don't be afraid to ask information. I know. Also, I read a lot of things that the world is a cruel place to live. The people, they are really, I don't know, like criminals and this kind of thing. But I think that in all the world, it's just two kind of people: the good people and the bad people. Here, the Vietnamese people are really friendly. So I recommend to you that speak with these fantastic people that suffer a war that was really cruel. They are really gentle, they are really friendly, and in any case they want to help you. Also, if you... there is a party. It's a party. Also, if people here don't speak a word of English, or little some words, but in any case they're really friendly. So guys, if you plan to go in a place like this, to see the world, to see this fantastic nation, this fantastic country, you have to speak with people. You have to try different foods. So don't be afraid. This that I recommend. Don't be afraid of people. They're really friendly.
slowly